Hello, gamers, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you Nintendo Switch enthusiasts out there. It's the VOYEE Switch controllers. These controllers are designed to take your Switch gaming experience to the next level. I'm your host, and we're about to dive deep into all the fantastic features these controllers have to offer. So, let's get started. First things first, these VOYEE Switch controllers are a perfect match for your Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite, or the latest Switch OLED. That's right, you can use these controllers for any game on your console. No compatibility issues here. Now, let's talk about the turbo function. These controllers offer an awesome burst speed feature. Need to fire off a flurry of shots in your game? Just press the up arrow on the D-pad and the T button to increase the burst speed. Want to slow things down? Simply press the down arrow on the D-pad and the T button. You've got 3 speed options: 5 shots per second, 12 shots per second, and a blazing 20 shots per second. During bursts, the indicator light will flash, and the faster it flashes, the higher the burst speed. It's a game changer. But wait, there's more. These controllers come with extra mappable triggers, M1 and M2. They are incredibly easy to program and adjust. You can map up to 16 buttons with these controllers. Want to map just one button? Press M1, M2 and plus. This is super handy when you want to execute complex moves or skills with a single button press. And the best part? You can control the mapping speed for lightning-fast reactions in your games. Let me show you how easy it is to set up a key combination. Say you want to map the Y, B, A, L, and R buttons to the M1 button. Simply press M1 and plus simultaneously, and the controller's lights will flash slowly. Then, press each of the Y, B, A, L, and R buttons one by one, and the indicator light will flash quickly. Finally, press M1 again, and the light will stay on, indicating that the mapping is complete. It's that simple. But what if you don't want to use the mapping function? You might accidentally touch M1, M2. No worries. To close the mappable M1, M2 function, just press and hold, and T buttons for 3 seconds. When you feel the controller vibrate, the function is closed. Syncing these controllers to your console or PC is a breeze. For your Nintendo Switch, go to Controller, > Change Grip, Sequence in the main menu. Then, press and hold Y and the Home button for 4 seconds. The LED will flash frequently, indicating pairing mode. Once connected, the LED stays on, and you're good to go. For PC gaming, simply use a USB cable to connect, and you're ready to play. The controllers default to X input mode, making them compatible with most games. And if you need DINPUT mode, just hold down the screenshot button for 3 seconds. There you have it, folks, the VOYEE Switch controllers. These controllers bring versatility and turbocharged gaming to your Nintendo Switch. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Product Critique, for more in-depth product reviews. I'm your host, signing off. Game on, and may your victories be swift with these awesome controllers.